Welcome to Mama Soul Kitchen. We are going to be making lasagna. That's Mama Soul lasagna. Stay tuned. Waiting for the lasagna noodle water to boil, we've gone on and browned our sausage and our hamburger meat with some onions, and I'm going to show you the next step. We're going to go ahead and flavor our lasagna water as it's heating up. We're going to do some olive oil, and we're going to add in just a pinch of salt. Now we're going to cover it up, our noodles, and we're going to wait for it to boil down for about a good 15 to 20 minutes, and we'll be back for the next step. Alright, now that we have added our layers, we're going to add some more of the sausage and ground beef on top. I'm going to show you how to layer this. Now that we have added our meat to the lasagna, we're going to press down firmly with a spatula and make sure that it's firmly packed. Next step is we're going to add in some no salt Momma Soul seasoning. Our last finale for our lasagna is adding on some of the cheese on top throughout the lasagna. There's nothing like having some good old cheese, right? Now that we have covered it with cheese all over the lasagna, we're going to get a good panoramic view of our casserole dish. See the vegetables on the side? Look at that. Sauces, cheese, meat. Look at that, how it's bubbling. It is almost time to take this out.